Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. This is another reaction video, guys. So this is someone named Luan Santana. This is the music video to his song Morena. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna be giving me. Let's go. Oh, he just became detective?
Você podia ter caprichado menos no beijo.
Not in the office, sir.
Devia ter pegado leve na hora de amar.
Spicy.
Podia ter falado não ao invés de aceito. Talvez a história da gente não tava onde tá. O que eu dei pra você, tudo que eu tinha pra dar e do que adiantou.
Is that Beyonce and Jay-Z on the Run Tour 2?
Você só queria brincar. Sim, eu não consegui dormir. Não é café.
Love that face piece. I want it.
Sim, na balada eu zerar. Não faltou esquema, é culpa da morena. Do beijo da morena. E diz o que eu posso fazer se ela rouba a cena. Se até deitado no colo da loura eu lembro da morena. Parei no segundo exato que os seus lábios falsos.
You just walk through on here.
Sempre que alguém me perguntava, dizia sinto nada, o amor evaporou, morreu. Mesmo sabendo que as minhas chances são praticamente nulas, o meu coração ainda te procura. Lá vou eu deitar na minha cama, me virar pro outro lado e esquecer, não esqueci. Eu não consigo.
Wait, let me get something here. You just became a detective. You're sitting in your car, you witnessed a robbery, you went in there, you got your gun taken away from you, you got tied up. Now they coming outside, the cops are shooting, they're shooting at the cop, no one's getting shot. And then they happen to get away into a car. You happen to get loose, you ran out, jumped into your car, and drove off. Okay. You have a nice voice though. Giving us the action. So I have to give credit to the director, the one who directed this, giving us a movie feeling action scenes for this song. So ooh. Ooh.
O que eu dei pra você, tudo que eu tinha pra dar e do que adiantou? Nada. Você só queria brincar. Sim, eu não consegui dormir. Não é cafeína, é culpa da morena.
Ooh.
Eu não consegui dormir.
Who doesn't like a nice tunnel scene in an action movie, giving us choreography and everything? Because usually in movies like this, they tend to have cars on a belt like this. So who doesn't like that? This is beautiful. If I'm a cop and I see a criminal like that with a face mask and gold, diamond and anything, like, I'm gonna let you go because that's fierce. That is fierce. Whoever came up with the creative direction of the creative director behind the clothing and costume design and everything, like, clap for you. Love it. Of course it was her. We didn't see that coming. Me diz que eu posso fazer se ela rouba a cena. Se até deitado no colo da loura eu lembro da morena. Oh, so she got him. Who I whipped? She got him whipped. That's not looking good for you, sir. She got you whipped. But I do like the direction of this. I could spot it in the beginning that the robbery was going to be her and he probably knew about it. Ish. That's why he was there to witness it. I guess trying to talk her out of it. But I really do like this. It's a very good song, Luan Santana. Very good. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I like the song. I don't understand everything fully what he's saying, but the visual aspect of it is amazing. I like the direction, the videography of it. So the director who directed this, very good job. Give us a very movie action sequence and choreo there with the car scene and everything. Great. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.